Imagine talking to your phone, and it understands your every need, making your tasks easier. This is not a dream. It is Apple's new generative AI called Apple Intelligence. At the WWDC 2024 conference, Apple made a groundbreaking announcement. Siri, along with other Apple devices, will now be powered by generative AI, transforming your devices into personal assistants. Apple has partnered with OpenAI to integrate ChatGPT into Siri. Now, Siri will not just answer your questions but elevate your entire day. Imagine asking Siri, "Play the podcast my girlfriend sent me," and Siri instantly plays that podcast. Or you could say, "I'm injured in a forest, how can you help?" And Siri would promptly find nearby hospitals and call an ambulance within seconds. The capabilities of this generative AI go beyond just understanding conversations. With Apple Intelligence, you can create custom emojis in your messaging app, use writing tools in Mail, Notes and Pages apps, and help you find photos in your library by recognizing them. For instance, you could say, "I don't remember whose birthday party I went to 2 months ago," and Siri would immediately pull up the photos from birthday parties from 2 months ago. Apple Intelligence will be available in beta versions of iOS 18, iPadOS 18, and macOS Sequoia. It will work on iPhone 15 Pro, iPhone 15 Pro Max, and some existing iPad and Mac devices with M1 or newer chips. By the end of 2024, Siri will also benefit from ChatGPT integration. Using this technology, Siri will understand your questions more naturally, recognize pauses and revisions, and remember previous conversations. Additionally, you can now type your requests to Siri by double-tapping at the bottom of the screen and making natural language requests. Apple has hosted this generative AI on its own servers and private cloud compute to keep your information secure. These processes will be executed on A17 or M series chips and a proprietary cloud, ensuring your privacy remains intact as your privacy is protected at home. This move by Apple marks a new chapter in the world of generative AI, where your devices understand and simplify every aspect of your life. With Apple Intelligence, your device becomes more than just a gadget. It becomes a smart helper, making your work and life easier. In the coming times, this technology from Apple is sure to transform our daily lives. So, this was our new information about Apple Intelligence. If you want more information like this, you can search our website and get more information.